Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading. Adventure begins at your library for July 16th, 2024, Part 2. Scaredy Squirrel Goes Camping by Melanie Watt. Warning: Scaredy Squirrel insists you check your zippers before reading this book. Scaredy Squirrel never goes camping. He'd rather be comfortable inside than risk going out in the rugged wilderness. Besides, setting up camp seems like a lot of trouble. A few troublemakers Scaredy Squirrel is afraid could get too close for comfort. Skunks, mosquitoes, quicksand, the three bears, penguins, zippers. So he's found a simple way to sit back and enjoy camping at a safe distance. Television, TV schedule, the joy of camping, 6 p.m., the barbecue challenge, 7 p.m., renovate your RV, 8 p.m., surviving the wilderness, 9 p.m., when moose attack, 10 p.m., the joy of camping, a groundbreaking new show that allows you to experience camping from the comfort of your own home. Scaredy Squirrel sets up his new television, but he realizes there's a problem. He needs to plug it in. Reaching the nearest electrical outlet will require major survival skills. A few survival supplies Scaredy Squirrel needs to pack: a really long extension cord, popsicles, tomato juice, a bag of cement, dictionary, pliers, instant oatmeal, and a fan. The wilderness outfit: penny to bring good luck, netted hat to dodge bugs, nose plug to bypass nasty odors, neckerchief to scout, water wings to stay afloat, walkie-talkie to stay in contact, badge to signal peaceful intentions, camouflage jacket to blend into the great outdoors, rubber boots to be quick and dry. The Scaredy motto: a prepared camper is a happy camper. The campground mission: the comfort zone. Place a walkie-talkie at foot of tree to stay in contact. Mosquitoes are itching to get you. Fan yourself, blow off these thirsty creatures. Keep a nose out for skunks. If sprayed, wash off the stink with gallons of tomato juice. Wherever there are coolers, penguins rule. They're cold as ice and won't warm up to you. Toss popsicles to occupy their sharp beaks. Wear water wings to stay above it all. Quicksand will bring you down. To avoid that sinking feeling, mix in cement. Campsites host a zillion zippers. If you get caught, use pliers to break loose. Use nose plugs are a must in this area. Note to self: if outlet is too high, use dictionary as step. Electrical outlet is here. You're not out of the woods until you get past the three bears. Their weakness: oatmeal. Serve them a quick bowl and do not snooze. 0530 hours, leave comfort zone. 0531 hours, run through woods, keep a low profile. 0541 hours, enter campground. 0545 hours, locate electricity. 0548 hours, plug in extension cord. 0549 hours, run back to home base. 0559 hours, get comfy and watch the joy of camping. The Rubber Boot Camp and Fitness Training Chart. Warm-up routine. Repeat 143 times. Obstacle course practice run. The Scaredy Promise: a fit squirrel is a safe squirrel. The Scaredy Law of the Fittest: run but never run into trouble. The outdoor conditions: sun, go. Cloud, wait. Rain, wait. Wind, wait. Snow, wait. Volcano activity, cancel. The Scaredy rule: if all else fails, take cover and play dead. The following afternoon, right on schedule, Scaredy Squirrel proceeds toward the campground. Scaredy tugs, he pulls, he looped the loops, but suddenly a penguin appears! This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel panics. He spins. He dashes. He bolts. He splashes. He climbs. He crashes. He takes cover and he plays dead. 30 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later. Scaredy Squirrel finally gets the drift. He forgets all about the skunks, mosquitoes, quicksand, 3 bears, penguins, and zippers. The wilderness isn't meant to be seen from afar. It's meant to be enjoyed up close. Scaredy breathes the fresh air, savors roasted marshmallows, gazes up at the stars, gathers pine cones, listens to songs, and gets comfortable. Early the next morning, Scaredy Squirrel plugs in his extension cord and follows it back home. This wild adventure has inspired him to approach camping differently. P.S. Some things are worth the trouble. The end. We're going to make a camp picture frame. Your Crafty Ghost kit has the picture frame in it and a magnet. We'll stick that to the back at the end. And to color this, you can use anything you want, really. You can use markers, Sharpies. I happen to have these wood markers, so I'm going to use these. But I'm sure a Sharpie or even a regular marker would work. So what we're going to do is we're just going to color the frame, and then we're going to stick the magnet on back, and you can stick a picture behind it, tape it on the back, and you can have a fun camp picture. So I'm just going to go ahead and color this, and then I'll come back and show you what I did. Okay, I finished coloring it. This is what it looks like. That's what I did for mine. You could color all this if you wanted to, but I decided to leave it plain, natural. Next, you're gonna turn it over. You're gonna carefully take off the paper off of the back of the magnet, and you're gonna stick it across the top. Just hold it there for a minute. A couple seconds, really. And that's all there is to it. It's a picture frame. You just stick a picture right back here and hang it on your fridge.